What if I told you the biggest difference between people who build lasting wealth and those who constantly struggle financially isn't their salary, it isn't their education, and it isn't where they were born. It's the way they think. Because before wealth changes your bank account, it usually changes your mindset. Some people see every paycheck as something to spend. Others see every paycheck as a tool to create more wealth. That single difference can completely transform a financial future. In this video, we'll explore the wealth mindset that changes everything, the habits successful people develop, and how changing the way you think about money can completely change the way you build it. Let's begin. Every financial decision starts with a belief. If you believe, "I'll never become wealthy," you'll probably avoid investing, avoid learning, and avoid taking opportunities. But people who believe, "I can improve my financial future," usually make different choices. They read, they ask questions, they develop new skills, and they keep improving. Your beliefs influence your actions, and your actions shape your future. The wealth mindset begins by believing that financial success is something you can learn, not something you're simply born with. Most people wake up every morning to work for money. Wealthy thinkers ask a different question. How can money work for me? That's why they focus on building assets, stocks, businesses, real estate, index funds, digital products, investments that may continue creating value long after the work has been done. The goal isn't just earning more. It's building systems that continue producing income. Most people look at price. Investors look at value. A wealthy mindset doesn't ask, "Is this expensive?" It asks, "Will this create value over time?" That applies to investments, education, business, even relationships. Successful investors understand that temporary cost can create long-term rewards. That's why they focus on value instead of price alone. One investment wealthy people rarely stop making is investing in themselves. They read books, listen to podcasts, take courses, learn technology, improve communication, study business, develop leadership, because skills increase value, and greater value often creates greater income. Knowledge compounds, just like investments. The more you learn, the more opportunities you can recognize. Many people ask, "How can I make more money?" Successful entrepreneurs ask, "What problem can I solve?" Money usually follows value. Businesses grow because they help customers. Employees earn promotions by solving important problems. Entrepreneurs succeed by making life easier for other people. The bigger the problem you solve, the greater your potential rewards. Fear, greed, excitement, panic. These emotions influence financial decisions every day. The wealthy don't eliminate emotions. They learn to manage them. When markets fall, they don't automatically panic. When everyone becomes excited, they don't blindly follow the crowd. Instead, they research, analyze, think carefully, and make decisions based on facts. Because emotional decisions often become expensive decisions. Today's world rewards instant gratification. Wealth usually rewards patience. Investments need time. Businesses need time. Skills need time. Relationships need time. Many people quit too early. Successful people stay consistent because they understand small improvements repeated over many years can produce extraordinary results. Time is one of the greatest wealth-building tools.
Relying on one paycheck can be risky. That's why many financially successful people build multiple income sources: investments, rental properties, businesses, dividend income, online businesses, digital products, freelancing, royalties. Each income stream creates greater financial stability. The goal isn't simply working harder, it's creating income that continues working even while you're sleeping. The truth is, building wealth doesn't begin with $1 million. It begins with one different decision, one better habit, one smarter financial choice. The wealth mindset means thinking long-term, creating value, learning continuously, controlling emotions, investing consistently, taking calculated risks, and staying patient. Because becoming wealthy rarely happens overnight. It happens through thousands of smart decisions repeated consistently over many years. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more finance, investing, and wealth-building content. And let us know in the comments, what is the first wealth mindset shift you're going to make starting today?